Did you know the ancient Persians invented the first fridge over 2,000 years ago? It was called a yakchal, or ice pit. These impressive domed structures were built in the desert to store ice and food, even in the scorching heat of summer. With thick walls made from special clay and heat-resistant mortar, they kept the inside cool without any electricity. Ingeniously underground canals, known as qanats, brought in cold water, and ice collected in winter was stored to last all year. The yakchal is a stunning example of ancient engineering, showcasing how Persian innovators were truly ahead of their time.